Hi everybody, Larry from MarineMax in Jacksonville here today, and we've got this 2025 Scout 175 Sportfish. Excellent boat for Northeast Florida, lets you run through the river with ease, also get up in the shallows if you want to do some shallow water fishing, get some reds up in the flats. One of the things I wanted to start with, around the boat you're going to find nice pull-up cleats. There's two midship, two at the transom, and one here up at the bow. And for a 17-foot boat, we've got dedicated anchor storage right here. Keeps your anchor, rod, and chain out of the way. You can also have room up here to store some dock lines as well. And then as we move into the bow of the boat, you're going to find this awesome forward-facing seat on this 100-quart Igloo Marine Ultra cooler. It's going to double as a seat, doubles as a cooler, fish box, etc. And we've got storage underneath this full-size bow cushion as well. You can stand 5-gallon buckets up in here, plenty of room for cast nets, all your gear for the sandbar as well. Let's move into the console and talk a little bit about what we got going on here. Scout has a nice convenient battery switch right on the bulkhead of the console, so it's easy to turn this boat on and off. We've got tilt steering up here. We also have a stereo control for the Fusion audio system, which is awesome in this little boat. And we've got waterproof switches up on the dash in addition to the digital Yamaha gauges. And speaking of the Yamaha, this is 115 horsepower. This boat will get up and boogie. It's also equipped with trim tabs, so you can level the boat depending on the load or also just how it rides and chop. You're going to find it's got an extremely smooth ride. It's very agile, very safe boat as well. Here at the helm seat, we've got a flip-flop bench where you can adjust the backrest depending on whether you're sitting or standing. And underneath, we've got another Igloo cooler that comes with that boat, so you can use it as dry storage, additional cooler, fish box, etc. Here at the transom, we've got a live well built in here, and we've got 4 rod holders, 2 on each side, going across the transom, and this nice bimini top. If you have any questions or like to set up a sea trial, give us a call at 904-545-5310. Thank you.